Welcome! Today we're showing you how to transfer your data between two Android phones using Smart Switch from Samsung. Let's go! With Smart Switch from Samsung, you can seamlessly transfer what's important to you. Here's how you do it. To start, on your older Android device, download the Smart Switch app. Simply open your Play Store and in the search field, search for Smart Switch Mobile. Next, click to install the app. Now, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. In the app, you can use a wireless connection or a USB connector and cable to link your new Samsung Android to the older Android where your data is stored. On your new Android, follow the on-screen instructions including connecting the device to your Wi-Fi. In the app, on your new Android, choose which content, preferences, and data you want to keep. Next, simply start the transfer, select Copy on your older device, and let Smart Switch do the work for you. It's that easy. Please keep both screens on during this process and follow any on-screen prompts to ensure it completes. That's it. Download Smart Switch from Samsung and start transferring your data to your new Samsung Android today. For more information, visit rogers.com/support.